Today's project is monoprinting, and this is a really easy project that you can do at home with some things that you already have at home. So you will need something that is glass, like a glass pan or a glass plate, and I have just I guess this would be like a 9x9 glass dish or plate, nice and clean. You'll need a paintbrush. It can be a smaller one than this, that's fine. You'll need some Q-tips. You'll need a few sheets of white paper. It can be any size. And you'll need some paint. You can use acrylic paint or tempera paint. Watercolor paint won't work on this. So you're going to turn your pan upside down. We want to use the bottom of it. The bottom is nice and flat right here. Okay. You're going to take some of your paint and squeeze some paint on there. Don't go too heavy with the paint. You want to spread the paint around on the surface so that it's a thin layer. And I'll show you just how much in a moment. So there's the yellow. I'll do a little bit of red. It's not very much, right? Take your paintbrush, you're going to spread it around on the pan. So I'm doing a fairly thin layer of paint. No big clumps or anything like that. Right. Then take your Q-tip and you're going to draw a design into the paint. So I'm going to keep this one really simple. So I'll do like a happy face. So I'll use my Q-tip. Let's do smile like that. And I'll do a circle around it. And I think I'll make it into a sun. So I'll just do this. Sun rays. You can do a more complicated design than I did, that's fine, but I'm keeping this really simple just for the demonstration. So I'm going to hold it up a little closer to the camera so you can see it. Okay. Then take one of your sheets of paper and gently place it on top. Gently press down. This is going to make the print. Great. And then peel it off. And not so great for our first one, so I'm going to do it again. I may have had too much paint on there, so I'm going to try again. Just redraw it. And do the circle. Sun rays. Try again. Oh yeah, better. I definitely had too thick paint on there my first try. So that's my second one. I'm going to just try to do a third one just to see if that comes out even better. Because now the layer of paint is even thinner than it was at the start. So try again. It might be getting too dry. Let's see. No, not bad. Yeah, so here's, I'll move this over so you can see the last two that I did. So this one, and then this one. I'm not sure which one I like better, but they're definitely better than the first one. Here's the first one. Right, that was way too much paint on there. So this is more along the lines of the look that you should shoot for. Yeah. Okay, so, and that is monoprinting.